Captain Rex looked up at the alien woman, his heart pounding in his chest. He had faced countless dangers in the vast expanse of space, but nothing had prepared him for this moment. Her skin shimmered, a constellation of silver scales that seemed to dance with the light. It was as if the stars themselves had taken residence on her body. Her eyes, deep and violet, held a universe of unknown emotions. They were windows to a soul that had seen and experienced things beyond his wildest imagination. She was unlike anything he had ever seen. She was beautiful, not just in appearance, but in the way she carried herself with an elegance that seemed almost otherworldly. They were on Xylos, a planet teeming with life more bizarre and wondrous than any science fiction novel. The flora and fauna were unlike anything found on Earth, each creature and plant a marvel of evolution. Rex, a seasoned explorer from Earth, was captivated. He had traveled to many worlds, but Xylos was different. It was a place where the impossible seemed possible. Not just by Xylos, but by her, Lyra. She was a mystery he was eager to unravel, a puzzle he wanted to solve. They met under the luminescent glow of Xylos's twin moons. The moons bathed the landscape in a soft, ethereal light, creating a magical atmosphere. Lyra, a scientist, was drawn to Rex's insatiable curiosity. She had never met anyone so eager to learn, so passionate about discovering the unknown. Rex, a man of action, was enchanted by her quiet grace. She moved with a fluidity that was mesmerizing, her every action deliberate and thoughtful. Their bond, immediate and intense, transcended the barriers of language and species. It was as if they were destined to meet, two souls finding each other in the vastness of the universe. They found ways to communicate, sharing stories, laughter, and dreams under the cosmic ballet of a billion stars. Each night they would sit together, gazing up at the sky, feeling a connection that was both profound and unexplainable. One day, a tremor shook the very fabric of Xylos. An anomaly, Lyra called it, a rift in space-time. It was a beautiful, terrifying spectacle of swirling colors and gravitational distortions. The anomaly grew, threatening to swallow Xylos whole. Fear gripped the planet. Rex and Lyra, holding on to each other, knew they had to act fast. There was an escape route, a shimmering portal generated by Lyra's advanced technology. It was a desperate gamble, a one-way ticket to an unknown destination. With a heavy heart, Rex led the evacuation, shepherding the Xylosian refugees towards the portal. He promised Lyra he would find his way back to her. She had to believe him. Rex emerged from the portal, the Xylosian refugees in tow, into a sector of space uncharted by human technology. The vast expanse stretched out before them, a canvas of stars and cosmic wonders, untouched and unexplored. It was a new beginning, but also a daunting challenge. He was alone, adrift in a sea of stars, billions of light-years away from Lyra and Xylos. The silence of space was both a comfort and a reminder of his isolation. Every star he passed was a beacon of hope, yet also a reminder of the distance between him and his past. He kept his promise. He would find a way back to her. The image of Lyra, her smile, her eyes, was etched into his memory, driving him forward. He knew that somewhere out there, she was waiting for him, just as he was searching for her. He pored over the readings from the escape portal, desperate for any clue, any hint of Lyra's location. Each piece of data was a potential lead, a thread that could unravel the mystery of her whereabouts. His determination was unwavering, his focus sharp. Years turned into a decade. Rex, now a grizzled veteran with wisdom etched on his face, never gave up hope. The passage of time had only strengthened his resolve. His experiences had made him wiser, more resilient, and more determined than ever. He led the Xylosian refugees, establishing a thriving colony on a new planet, their temporary home. Under his guidance, they built a new life, blending their cultures and creating a community that thrived despite the odds. It was a testament to their resilience and unity. Through it all, Lyra's memory was his guiding star. Every night as he looked up at the starry sky, he felt her presence, her spirit guiding him. Her memory was a beacon, lighting his path and giving him strength. The memory of her laughter, her touch, her unwavering belief in him kept him going. Those cherished moments played in his mind like a beautiful symphony, reminding him of what he was fighting for. Her love was his anchor, his reason to keep moving forward. He would see her again. He had to. The journey was long and fraught with challenges, but his resolve was unbreakable. He set his course, determined to bridge the void and reunite with the love of his life. The stars held their secrets, but he was ready to uncover them. One day, a faint signal, originating from the uncharted depths of the galaxy, was picked up by the colony's sensors. It was a message, weak but discernible. It was Xylosian. It was Lyra. The message was fragmented, but Rex could decipher the most important parts. Lyra was alive. She was searching for him. The cosmic rift was a mystery, a puzzle she was determined to solve. Hope, dormant for so long, flared back to life within Rex. He rallied his team, the best and brightest of the Xylosian refugees, to decipher the rest of the message. They had to find her. He had to reach her. The universe, it seemed, was finally giving him a second chance. Section 5, Trials of Courage. The message contained a set of complex coordinates, a breadcrumb trail left by Lyra. It was a perilous journey, a path fraught with danger and the unknown. Black holes, rogue planets, and unstable wormholes awaited. Rex, with the unwavering loyalty of the Xylosian refugees, embarked on this cosmic quest. He faced each challenge with courage, driven by his love for Lyra. He piloted his ship through treacherous asteroid fields, the ship groaning under the strain. He negotiated with enigmatic alien species, their languages a symphony of clicks and whistles. He stared death in the face more times than he could count, but his resolve never wavered. Lyra was out there, waiting, hoping he would not fail her. Section 6. Beacons of Unity. Throughout their perilous journey, Rex and the Xylosian refugees faced each challenge as one. Their shared loss, their hope, and their unwavering faith in Rex and Lyra bound them together. They combined human ingenuity with Xylosian technology, surpassing limitations and achieving the impossible. They navigated uncharted nebulas, their beauty a testament to the universe's grandeur. Their unity, their shared belief in a love that transcended galaxies, was their greatest strength. They were a testament to the power of hope, the enduring strength of the human spirit, and the boundless possibilities when different species united for a common cause. Section 7. A Love Transcending Galaxies. This is a tale of love that defies the boundaries of space and time, a story that transcends galaxies and brings two souls together against all odds. Following Lyra's trail, Rex's ship finally arrived at their destination, a hidden star system tucked away in a remote corner of the galaxy. The journey had been long and arduous, filled with countless challenges and perils, but Rex's determination never wavered. In its center orbited a planet, Xylos. A world that once lay in ruins now stood as a beacon of hope and renewal. But this Xylos was different. Restored, whole, and vibrant. The once desolate landscapes were now teeming with life, colors bursting forth in every direction. The cosmic rift was gone, Lyra's brilliance evident in its healing. Her efforts had not only saved the planet, but had also brought it back to its former glory. Rex had found her. He had found home. The sight of Xylos filled him with a sense of peace and belonging he had never felt before. He landed on Xylos, his heart pounding in his chest. The anticipation of seeing Lyra again was almost too much to bear. As he disembarked, a figure emerged from the crowd. Lyra, the moment he had been dreaming of for so long, was finally here. Her scales shimmered, her violet eyes shining brighter than the stars themselves. She was more beautiful than he remembered, a vision of grace and strength. Time, it seemed, had stood still. The years apart had not diminished their bond. If anything, it had only grown stronger. Or perhaps, in the vast expanse of the universe, a decade was but a blink of an eye. Their love had endured the test of time and space. They ran towards each other, the years of separation melting away with each step. In that moment, nothing else mattered. They were together, and that was all that counted. Section 8. Reunion. They met in the middle, a heartbeat before their hands touched, a lifetime of longing in their eyes. Then they embraced, a hug that defied years, light years, and the very laws of the universe. "You found me," Lyra whispered, her voice a melodious chime that sent shivers down Rex's spine. "I promised," Rex said, his voice thick with emotion. "I told you I would find my way back to you." And in that moment, surrounded by the wonders of a reunited Xylos, under the soft glow of their familiar twin moons, nothing else mattered. They were together again, their love a beacon across the cosmos. Section 9. Epilogue. A love story for the cosmos. Rex and Lyra's story became a legend whispered among the stars. A testament to the enduring power of love, a beacon of hope for those who dared to dream of a universe united. Their love transcended the boundaries of species, bridging the gap between the familiar and the unknown. It was a love story for the cosmos, a timeless tale whispered on the stellar winds. The universe, it seemed, conspired to bring together those whose destinies were intertwined. And somewhere in the vast expanse of space, two souls, once separated by a cosmic rift, lived happily ever after.